What if I tell you there is a free 3D parametric modeling software which is completely free, not only for your personal hobby project but also for commercial use? Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we will talk about how one can download and install FreeCAD. For that, here you can see I have already shared my computer screen and also have open internet browser. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type FreeCAD. And as I said before, it is a completely free software and one can see more about it here in Wikipedia and can see the license information. So here we can see it is not only open source but completely free and under this general public license. Now let's go back here and let's see how we can download and install. So I would say it is pretty easy. Let's visit the official website of FreeCAD. Now what we need to do here is simply need to click on download, and then the good thing here is it is not only applicable for Windows but it also supports Linux and Macintosh. So here right now I am using Windows, so let me download this Windows setup, and it also comes with portable version, which is really nice to see. So here we can see the download is pretty straightforward, and since this software is completely free and we are aware of professional softwares like this cost thousands of dollars, so one should definitely consider paying them if they're gonna use for commercial purpose. Now we have got this software package downloaded, and the package itself is not that huge, only under 500 MB. So let me make a double click on it, and there we go. So setup I would say is straightforward. Yes, you simply need to click on next until or unless if you would like to install it somewhere else. So I'm gonna keep it at the same C drive, and let's click on install, and now let's just wait for the installation process to get completed. And there we go, we have completely installed it. Now we can directly launch it from here, or we can also uncheck it, since we most of the time will be launching it manually. So I'm gonna uncheck it and let's click on finish. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click on menu button, and now I'm gonna search for FreeCAD. And there we go, here we can see we have successfully installed it. Now let's click here to open it, and there we go guys, we have successfully downloaded and installed FreeCAD in our system. We need to click here on start, and then from here you can select which workbench you want to work in. So let's say I would like to work in draft. So by selecting here workbench, you're gonna move to that particular workbench. So in this way guys, here we can see we have successfully downloaded and installed FreeCAD in our system. And I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tutorial related to engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.